Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2019 Kia Sorento SX V6. This is a demonstrator and it's on clearance. Being as it's the SX trim level, that's the highest trim level available in Sorento. Comes with a sunroof, beautiful alloy wheels, ice cube fog lights, and some signal repeaters in the mirrors, and a whole bunch of other things that we're going to talk about as we go around this car. See, there's also some roof racks up there, roof rails. And going down the car, we also notice it's an all-wheel drive. Having a look inside, we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. We have a driver memory seat. We have a rear cross traffic alert, 115-volt switch for a power outlet, some traction control, a button for the rear door. Sorento only has 9,723 kilometers, so there is the balance of the factory warranty remaining. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls as well as other functions for the car. Climbing inside, we have navigation and Sirius XM showing. If we put it in reverse, we have a reverse camera. We have dual climate zones, and in the upper left, a push button start. We have heated and cooled front seats. We have a heated steering wheel. Down below, there's auxiliary and USB input ports, as well as 12-volt charging ports. Drive mode select, a lock for the wheels, and rear parking sensors. Up above, we have the controls for the sunroof. There is a panoramic sunroof in the unit. As I mentioned, heated leather seats. The driver's seat is powered. Going to the back of the car, we have heated leather seats in the rear for comfort of your passengers. We have 12-volt charging, a USB port, and a 115-volt supply in the back seat.